Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of precision with the LIFEGOO Mini Electric Screwdriver, a 62-in-1 cordless powerhouse designed for all your electronic repair needs. This sleek tool, with its modern aluminum alloy exterior and ergonomic pen-shaped body, offers a comfortable grip and a matte finish, making it not only functional but also a stylish addition to any toolkit. With an impressive 200 rotations per minute, it features both automatic and manual modes, powered by a 350 mAh rechargeable lithium battery that fully charges in just 30 to 40 minutes and delivers up to 3 hours of continuous use. The 360-degree shadowless lighting system, with its 3 built-in LED lights, ensures your workspace is always illuminated, while the USB rechargeable design adds convenience to your projects. Perfect for repairing a wide range of devices from phones to laptops, this set includes 48 magnetic precision bits, a magnetic mat, and other essential tools, all neatly packed in a handy storage case. Whether it's for Christmas, a birthday, or any special occasion, this precision screwdriver kit makes an exceptional gift for tech lovers and DIY enthusiasts alike. So, gear up and tackle your next repair project with ease and precision using the LIFEGOO Mini Electric Screwdriver. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.